Unscrew the lid from the bottle and remove the straight part of the straw from the flexible part of the straw. Turn the lid cover counterclockwise until the flex straw pops up and pull out the flex straw from the lid base. Twist the lid cover in a counterclockwise direction past the open position until the lid pops off. Insert the straw from the bottom, aligning the D shapes, and pull the straw through until it clicks into place. Position the lid cover over the flex straw top and press down to snap together. Insert the bottom straw into the bottom of the flex straw. The lid is now ready to put on the bottle.